Hello everyone, this is Zulkarnain and welcome to the channel, and this video is going to be very special for those who want to start dropshipping on Shopify, TikTok, WooCommerce or any other e-commerce platform. We all know that dropshipping in 2026 is getting very competitive because it's hard to find reliable supplier that can offer you very fast shipping and really good products, and top of that reasonable prices that really make you some profit. For suppliers, I was searching through the internet and I just came across a platform that is called BBC Dropshipping. This platform has so many things at one place. It helps you find best selling products and also provide you suppliers for those high quality products. You can easily ship all those products to your customer directly because they have multiple warehouses around the globe, like they have warehouse in USA, Canada, UK and in so many other countries. Major advantage of having multiple warehouses around the globe is that shipping becomes very fast. You can ship your products within 2 to 3 days to 5 days depending on the service that you choose for your products. BBC Dropshipping have built-in product research tool where you can find winning products that are hot in the market right now, and you can also use advanced filters like shipping country and category filter. It provides you full control to manage your dropshipping business at one place. You can also integrate multiple e-com platforms at a time. You can integrate Shopify, WooCommerce, TikTok and many other platforms. It also provides you auto listing feature. You have to select one product and simply you have to push that product to your e-com platform and product will be automatically listed on your platform. Today I am going to explain everything about BBC dropshipping so it becomes easy for you to understand. So let's jump to the laptop screen and see how everything works. You can find BBC Dropshipping official website link in my video description, and you will click the link and you will directly hit this page. Here you can see every detail they are offering for you, like how you can find winning products and the e-com platform they support like Shopify, TikTok, WooCommerce, and you can also find more details about them right here on this page. So simply we will start the sign up process. What you have to do is you have to click start free. On this sign up page, first you have to provide your first name, then second name, then you have to add your email address, then select your country, then you have to add your phone number. Here you have to set a strong password and then simply hit create free account. You will receive a verification code on your registered email address. Simply paste that code here and confirm, and our account is just created. This is our BBC dropshipping dashboard. You can see multiple products here. Every product is listed here is from verified suppliers that assures you high quality products. Here in product type you can choose between new arrival hot products and discounted products. If we click hot products, here you can see the hot products that are currently high in demand. You just have to pick the product according to your business niche and you can simply list your product to your store within a couple of clicks. If I show you one more thing, that is ship from, here you can see multiple options like China, United States, UK, Germany, Australia, Thailand and many other countries. In all of these countries they have their separate warehouses. Having multiple warehouses in different countries allows you to ship your products to your customers within 2 to 5 days depending on the service you choose to ship your products. Here you can find categories like women, men's, shoes, bag, accessories, sportswear and equipment, mother and baby related products, pets and craft related products and so many other categories to choose from. And here you can apply pricing filter, minimum price and maximum price, and here you can search products simply by typing what you are looking for. If you look here you can see an option that is called integration. Here you can integrate multiple e-com platforms like multiple Shopify stores, WooCommerce stores, TikTok shops and other platforms. Suppose I want to integrate my Shopify store with BBC dropshipping. What I have to do is to click add new integration. Here simply I have to select Shopify. It will redirect to my Shopify store and official BBC Dropshipping Shopify app. Simply I have to install and my Shopify store will automatically be integrated. Now you can see the status of my Shopify store is currently active. If I go to the marketplace and select any product that I want to list on my Shopify store, the process is very simple. What you have to do is you simply have to select a product. Here you can see the title, here you can see images. Now if we want to list this product to our Shopify store, what we need to do is first we need to select that where we need need to ship this product. Here you have to select the country in which your dropshipping store is working. Suppose I am working in United States, I will simply select United States. Here you have to choose the shipping method for your product. You can see multiple shipping options. You can choose any shipping option according to the preferences of your business. Suppose I select this one. Here you can see the delivery time, shipping fees, processing fees, and the total cost. When selecting a product, it is very important to verify which warehouse is fulfilling the order. Especially you should check the country from which the product will be shipped to your customer. This allows you to accurately evaluate the shipping cost, delivery time, and overall expenses. It will help you maintain better control over pricing, margins, and customer satisfaction. Now to list on your Shopify store, what you have to do is you have to add to my products. Now product is added to your products. Now we will go to the products. Here you have to click products from marketplace. Here you can see the product we just saved here. Now what we have to do is we simply have to click integrate. Now what we have to do is we have to select our dropshipping store. Now we need to select the variants we want to list on our dropshipping store. Here you can edit the selling price. Suppose I want to sell it for $16. I will add 16 for each variant. Now what we need to do is we need to simply push the product to our Shopify store. Now we will go to the Shopify store and here we have to refresh, and here you can find the product that is automatically listed here. If you want to make any changes in title, description, images, or in prices, you simply have to edit and save. If we go to our Shopify store and refresh the page, and you will find the product just right here. Here you can see how easy this is to list product on our Shopify store from BBC Dropshipping. If you receive any order on your Shopify store or any other platform that you are working with, you simply need to go to the orders. Here you have to click orders. Here you will find all the orders directly in this dashboard. From here, in couple of clicks, you can simply fulfill the order and send it to your customer directly. If you look here, you can see purchase option. If you are receiving multiple orders on a product, then it's always safe to purchase that product in big quantity in advance to prevent stock shortage and sold outs. This gives you more control over shipping and shipping cost. If you are running a brand store, what we need to do is here you can see a feature private label. Here you can directly contact with BBC Dropshipping team for the customization of your products for your specific brand. You can also customize the key aspects of your products such as packaging and color variants. You can also communicate directly with the suppliers so you can discuss specific manufacturing or design requirements if you have some. There are many suppliers who are open to fulfill these kind of requests. This will allow you to create a more unique and branded product offering. So guys, as you saw how easy it is to work with BBC Dropshipping, where you can manage multiple dropshipping stores at one place. So guys, for today this is it, and you will find me in some other video. So till then, see you.